In this video, I want to talk about the new trend of DeFi. We're talking about trading bots as a service. We're going to take a look at different projects offering that, as well as different trading bots that are available to you. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Now, the first one I want to talk about is Horde. They are coming out with their trading bot as a service. It is going to be an NFTs that you and I can go ahead and purchase. The cost of those NFTs are going to be $400 a piece, and they are going to have a collection of 10,000 NFTs. So then what they're going to do, and the plan behind this, is that they are going to use those funds, put it into different trading bots, and they're going to be able to generate money with those trading bots. Now, I'm not too sure of which pairs are going to be trading and all of those details. We are supposed to get a full update on Horde's trading bots as a service on September 22nd. So in 2 days from now, we are going to get a lot more information. But as of now, and as of trading bots as a whole, we understand that there's definitely some money to be made. Of course, it all depends on which strategies they use with their trading bots, but this is definitely a project that I have in my horizons, and I'm probably going to be buying one or if not more NFTs for their services. Now, something else that's very cool with this project is that they are actually allowing multi-chain mint, which is great because you don't have to bridge your funds into a specific chain. You can have funds pretty much everywhere across 6 different chains, and you're going to be able to mint an NFT. Now, if we move on and we talk about the second bot in question, we are talking about bread bots, and this one here is not a trading bot as a service. You're not buying an NFT. You're not having a revenue share because you bought that NFT. This is simply a bot that is going to provide you with different strategies depending on the bot you choose. And it is going to trade automatically for you based on certain strategies that the bot has. Now, the one that is the most popular right now, which is obviously sold out, is a cinnamon toast one. This one here is trading on Ethereum, and it has a very good track record. I've been trying to get in this bot for a few weeks now. I still haven't been able to, but I'm still trying. They also have this blueberry muffin one, which is trading on Avalanche. This one here doesn't have as good as returns as the cinnamon toast one. And they also have a French toast one that is trading Bitcoin. So definitely take a look at these. Of course, there is a pretty hefty monthly fee. So you have to invest a certain amount of money for it to be profitable, because if you're only investing, let's say $100, well, I'm not too sure if you're going to be able to pay that monthly fees. But of course, it all depends on your trading style. And of course, I am seeing these as a long-term investment. If I were to buy one of these bots, I would put a certain amount of money in there and just then let it do its thing. Now, moving on to the next trading bot as a service, we're talking about tradingbots.me. This is the one that you've seen James Peloton talk about on Twitter. It's from Shiny Jackal, and we can see that they've actually been very profitable as well. This is a bit different than your other bots. There's a bit more to it because it's using a specific exchange, and it is using FTX. So if you're not using it, you may have to pay more money. And if we take a look at their white paper, the reason why this may be a bit more expensive if you're not using FTX is that they are using FTX since it has a partnership with 3 commas, and the 3 commas fee is about $100 per month. So if you're not using FTX and you're paying for 3 commas on a monthly basis, that is essentially going to add $100 to your monthly fee. Now, if we take a look at the fees, and assuming that you're trading on FTX so you don't have to pay for the 3 commas fee, you can see that these fees are actually a bit lower than most. For the maintenance fee, we have $25 per month if you're investing anywhere below $2,500. There is a one-time fee, and these are all the different tiers of fees depending on the capital you plan on investing. Now, if you're wondering how much money you could potentially make with these bots, they're estimating anywhere between the range of 10 to 15% per month. Now, of course, it's all going to depend on the strategies you decide to utilize within this bot, but this is very much so a long-term play as well. Now, if we move on to another service, we're talking about Elevate trading bots. If we log into Astrobit and we go over the marketplace, we can see different bots offered by different providers. So in the case of Elevate Trading, we have this ETH sniper bot. We also have these bread bites bot, which are, as we mentioned, blueberry, French toast, and cinnamon toast. These are all offered on Astrobit as well. Then we have other Elevate trading bots. We have Boreas here, which is trading Avalanche, about $65 per month. We also have a lot more down here, trading Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin. So whatever you may want to trade, there is a bot for it. And the one I am particularly looking at in terms of the Elevate trading bots is this one here, the Horde, which is trading Ethereum. This strategy is about $65 per month, and it is a single entry strategy trading Ethereum. So definitely, if you want more information on these bots, just click on view details. It is going to load that bot specifically and obviously give you a lot more information on how this strategy works and exactly what this is. Now, last but not least, if we want to talk about a bit more speculative bots, we can talk about StableFun, which is supposed to be an AI trading bot, guaranteeing you a 1.5% daily APR. Again, we don't have specific transactions on what this bot is doing. The TVL is growing. They can also take your money whenever they want. There is a disclaimer in the terms there. So, of course, don't invest money you can't afford to lose, because there is a 28-day locking period in StableFun. So if you're okay with that and you're okay with locking up your funds for 28 days, then this may be one worth looking into. I made a full video about my thoughts on this one. I have $200 in it, and it has been paying this 1.5% daily, which is quite crazy, and I'm still not sure if it's sustainable. And finally, we have Optimus, which is guaranteeing a 1% daily passive income of their OPT2 token. This is paired with Wrapped Matic. So if you're bullish on Matic and you're bullish on Optimus, you could be earning a 1% daily passive income through their bots. And this project doesn't have a lockup period, or it doesn't have any taxes, so it's easier to come in and out. But again, there is a risk, and of course, depending on your strategy, you may want to look further into this one. And we've also made a full video on Optimus. Now, in my personal opinion, I would be more comfortable putting my money in a bot where I always have access to my funds. So a bot in Elevate Trading, or a bot from tradingbots.me, or from bread bots, because these bots are all linked to exchanges, and then you have all of the ability to go into there and take the money out if you wanted to, whenever you wanted to, and you can always just have access to your money. Whereas some of these other protocols like StableFun, you won't necessarily always have access to your money. So with all of that being said, if you have any questions about different trading bots, definitely visit their website, join my Discord, ask questions, leave a comment down below, smash the like button if you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace.